Hey internet, you can find the code in the pinned comment. It's also in the description for GitHub. This is my Python code to convert text into a WAV file, and I'll show you how it works. So we just type in some text. Please subscribe to Suemon's channel. Okay, we'll put in some numbers as well. If you play Halo, you know what those numbers mean. Okay, and we'll just save it in this file location with the classic test1.wave. And yep, as you can see, and I'll play a little bit of it just to prove that it works. Okay, cool. So thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell, turn on all notifications. Leave a comment below. Did this work for you? Also, leave a comment below if you know what 117 means. Until next time, see ya.